Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe.
What if everything you've been told about money is a lie? Since childhood, we've all been taught one simple rule: study hard, get a good job, earn more money. But if that formula really worked, why are so many people still struggling? Because the biggest lie isn't about making money. The truth is, earning money is only the beginning of the game. Most people spend first and think later. Rich people usually do the exact opposite. Every dollar you spend has a hidden cost. The future you give up. Imagine planting a tree and digging it up every single week. Let's prove it with one simple example. Imagine you earn $3,000 every month. At first, everything feels perfect. Then the bills start arriving, one after another. Before you know it, nearly every dollar already has a job. Now let's compare two people who earn exactly the same salary. Person A spends every extra dollar the moment they receive it. Person B saves 20% before spending anything else. After 5 years, the difference becomes impossible to ignore. The difference wasn't a higher salary. It was better financial decisions. So, why do millions of intelligent people keep making the same money mistakes? Because your brain is designed to choose pleasure today instead of rewards tomorrow. Your brain tells you, buy it now. But your future quietly whispers, invest instead. The richest people don't have stronger willpower. They build better systems. Every single day, thousands of companies compete for one thing: your attention. Their goal isn't to make you richer, it's to make you spend more. Every purchase gives your brain a short burst of dopamine, but it disappears quickly. That's why buying something feels exciting today, but ordinary just a few days later. Real wealth isn't built by chasing temporary happiness. It's built by making intentional decisions. There's another reason people feel poorer every year, even when their salary increases. It's called inflation, and it quietly reduces the value of your money. 5 years ago, this cart was full. Today, the same money buys much less. Your salary may have grown, but your buying power didn't. That's why earning more isn't enough. Your money must grow faster than inflation. Saving money is important, but saving alone won't make you wealthy. Money sitting in cash slowly loses its buying power every year. But invested money has the opportunity to grow over time. The goal isn't to work harder forever. It's to make your money work for you. That's the biggest lie about money. People think earning creates wealth, but habits create wealth. The good news? You don't need to be rich to start building wealth. Step 1. Know exactly where every dollar goes. When you measure your spending, you immediately gain control over it. Step 2. Build an emergency fund before chasing big investments. Because financial security gives you the confidence to invest for the future. Step 3. Invest consistently, even if it's a small amount. Small investments made every month can become surprisingly powerful over time. The secret isn't investing more, it's staying consistent for years. People often overestimate what they can achieve in 1 year, but underestimate what they can build in 10. Real wealth is rarely built overnight. It's built one smart decision at a time. The biggest mistake isn't making a bad investment. It's waiting too long to start. Every month you delay, your future loses another opportunity to grow. Time is the most valuable asset every investor has. The earlier you begin, the less money you need to reach the same goal. You don't need to predict the perfect moment. You simply need to begin. Imagine two friends. Both earn the same salary. Both start on the same day. One spends every raise on a better lifestyle. The other quietly invests a small amount every single month. 10 years later, their lives look completely different. The difference wasn't luck. It was a few smart decisions repeated over time. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this. Your income can make you comfortable, but your habits determine whether you become wealthy. You don't need to earn more before you start making smarter financial decisions. Every smart financial decision you make today becomes a gift to your future self. Because wealth isn't built in one big moment. It's built through thousands of small decisions. Before we finish, here are 3 money rules that can change your financial future. Rule number 1, spend less than you earn. Always. Rule number 2, invest before lifestyle upgrades become your priority. Rule number 3, give your investments time to grow. If you follow these 3 rules consistently, you're already ahead of most people. Remember, wealth isn't about impressing strangers. It's about creating freedom for yourself and your family. Every dollar you save, every investment you make, is a vote for the future you want to live. Your future self is watching the choices you make today. The biggest lie about money ends the moment you take control of it. And that's the truth most people never discover, until it's too late. If this video changed the way you think about money, then your journey has already begun. Every week, we'll break down money, investing, and wealth into simple ideas anyone can understand. So if you want to build real wealth instead of chasing quick money, subscribe and join us. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and keep building the future you deserve.